Hey guys, so today I have for you what I think at least is one of the best skirmish gameplays I have ever posted. Now, I have a lot of videos out there, a lot of popular videos that I know you guys like, so I know that is a pretty big statement, but for me this is definitely going to be a personal favourite. All the gameplay in today's video is from one game and just one life alone, so there's no medics, no respawns at all throughout any of this gameplay. Of course, there are cuts here and there. This is about 1 hour's worth of gameplay cut down to just less than 10 minutes. So this could be up there challenging the longest kill streak video I posted last year, also from Anzio camp, as my new longest kill streak. And at the end of the video, there are some pretty cool kills all in and around the embassy. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And just a quick reminder, the Enola Gay competition is still open, so leave your likes and comments down below.
Contact, tree. He's down, he's down. Guys, is that enemy spawn there? Yes. Let's get out of here then.
So at this stage we are continuing on with our domination game as we're moving through the town trying to capture and hold as many buildings as we possibly can. Now at this stage myself and Jay have actually teamed up with Carl, one of the head marshals at First and Only, and we're going with him pushing through these buildings and clearing out those enemy fighters.
Clear.
Now this next kill here shows the accuracy and the range that this TM recoil has got. Again, I've been getting a lot of comments and questions asking what upgrades I have externally and internally. If you want to know more about all that, the information is on my website linked in the description below.
He's dead.
So after myself and Jay moved through and clear the upstairs of the building, taking out those 3 players with that first initial grenade, we then moved back downstairs to support Carl, who's fending off players trying to attack and capture the building.
Three down upstairs.
You get into a window and look down on that corner there, where that bends around.
Yeah, I see him shooting at us.
So as you heard there, Carl was taking fire from the bushes to the right hand side and asked if I could move to these right hand windows and see if I could get a shot on them. But these bushes ahead here are blocking me, so instead I climb out the window and try and flank round the back of these players.
Yellow coming in, yellow coming in. Yellow coming in. Got him. Where's Carl? Put it.
So after flanking around the outside and taking those guys out and then safely making it back inside the building and meeting up with Jay, we then decide to try and move down towards the embassy, which we can hear has a lot of fighting going on and has a lot of enemy players inside. And this is where things start to get interesting. Now at this stage, Jay has just been hit from players in front of him inside the embassy, and the teammate behind me has just been hit by enemy players in the bushes to our rear. So I quickly try and get out of there, as there is no chance I could safely medic those guys back in. Instead, I've got to try and get to the safety of the inside of the embassy. Now at times like this when you're completely alone and you have to depend on your own reflexes and reactions to keep you alive, and you know there's a lot of enemy players around you, I feel you do get a heightened sense of awareness. You can take out players with pretty snap reactions, especially if you do know the layout of the space. And in these situations, I'm going to shoot anyone I see. Questions and teammate colours are going to be asked later.
What colour are you?
Red medic. Red.
Yeah, Sam.
Red medic.
Pass then, Pat.
Now at this stage, I'm pretty much in the middle of the building and enemy players can approach from all directions, and they do know I'm inside this building taking out their teammates. So I try and find a dead end where no one can creep up behind me, suss out my situation, and then take out these remaining players.
Got him.
And with that, that was pretty much the last of the enemy players in and around the building, meaning we had captured the embassy. By this stage, Jay had respawned and joined back with myself and Carl, and we moved on for a few more minutes until the game came to an end. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If so, leave all your thoughts and comments down below. As I said, that competition is still ongoing, so if you leave a like and a comment, you will be entered to win some cool Enola Gay goodies. If you want any of your questions answering regarding kit and guns, check out my website link in the description. But in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.